I'm excited to pick up our bikes.
So we ordered these e-bikes online, and we've been so excited for them to come. Now, we haven't had to wait too long. We just ordered them on Monday, I think.
Yeah, so it didn't take long at all.
And today's Thursday, so that's pretty good. Our campground doesn't allow packages, so we needed a place to get a FedEx package. And I didn't know this, but Dollar General actually has a program with FedEx. Now, I don't think all of them participate, but a good amount do. So you can actually ship packages from there and also receive packages from there. And then when you go and pick up your package, you have to show your ID. Now, obviously, depending where you're at, the Dollar General can be nice or it can be kind of grimy. You know, I hate to say it, but I think we've all been to those Dollar Generals.
We just got back from the store and we're gonna start building our bikes. It came in this nice box. I got an Aventon, and so did Dylan, but I got a Pace 350.
And I got the Solterra 7-speed.
I got mine in white, and Dylan was a little more adventurous.
Mine's yellow, but it's a manly yellow.
Manly yellow.
Lance Armstrong had a yellow. Forget the drug thing, he was still a cool guy. We just finished Tiffany's bike. I think she likes it.
Yeah, it's really cool. It really has a fast start when you put the pedal assist on.
Yeah, we never had an e-bike before. Tiffany's parents do, so we got to ride theirs a little bit. Tiffany's aunt, when we were in Florida, had one too, so we tried that out. So
But it definitely takes off. I'm excited for it.
yeah, it was pretty easy build. It just took some time. First time ever building one, obviously.
I think it took us, what, an hour and a half total?
Yeah, longer than it should have. Now we're gonna build mine, and hopefully it should go much, much faster. Do I look like Lance Armstrong?
Oh, yes. How's it feel?
Feels good. It's fucking loud, isn't it?
We're in the middle of a
I think outside,
hailstorm.
because I could like kill you.
Holy cow!
Now that's golf ball size hail, and of course it dented the truck. But look at that, that's crazy. Yesterday it was sunny and 72. We went on a long bike ride. It was really nice out. Actually, I had to take my jacket off and my sweatshirt. It was that warm.
Yeah, it was really warm.
And then today, we wake up, there's a blizzard warning. It's 26 degrees. We had golf ball size hail last night.
It damaged some things, but it could have been way worse.
Yeah, so it's been a crazy past 24 hours. But
Yeah, look at all of this.
that's what makes life fun now.
It does make it an adventure, I can tell you that. We just found this overlook and we took a hike up, and check out this view right here. Isn't that awesome?
All right, so we just got done with the wildlife loop the day after the snow, and it's crazy. It's like some parts you see tons of snow,
And
then
others you see absolutely nothing.
yeah, and it's been like 12 hours since it stopped snowing. So over by us, which is only, I don't know, a few miles away, we got like 6 inches. I think about like an hour north of us, they got 24 inches. And then here, as you can see, it's very patchy. Finished up our quick trip here to Sylvan Lake. It's still freezing here. It's like 33 degrees out. And it's funny, just between here and Custer State Park Visitor Center, there's like a 10-degree difference. So we're gonna head back to the RV, warm up, because it's much warmer there than it is outside. We'll probably make dinner and relax for the night. Where are we going today?
To Mount Rushmore.
So right now we're driving Iron Mountain Road, which starts in Custer State Park, and I think it ends around Mount Rushmore. But I actually do a lot of research to drive this road because there's some very tight tunnels. I think one only has like 8-foot width, somewhere around there. So I'll actually have to put my mirrors in, my tow mirrors, because they'll be too wide with them out. Make sure if you're coming to the area, you definitely do research on the width of your vehicle. If you have a small car, it shouldn't be a problem, but it's definitely something you have to watch out for. I'm excited because the pictures look real cool. I've seen video where you can kind of see a side profile of George Washington's face on Mount Rushmore. So I'm very excited. Right now, it's kind of weird. It's like perfect weather around the entire park, and then there's one rain cloud over the center of the park, and it just started raining a little bit. So hopefully it clears up by the time we get there. Finally made it to Mount Rushmore.
We did.
Very scenic drive.
I fell asleep.
Finally parked, now we're walking the steps up to the memorial. Nice job.
Thanks. So today we're going to be headed to Black Elk Peak. It's a really nice day out today. We brought Blue with us. Unfortunately, Oakley stayed home, even though he probably hates his life staying home.
Start at Sylvan Lake, right inside Custer State Park, and then it's about, I think it's about 6 mile round trip. We saw on all trails about 3 hours. The sign here says allow 4 to 5 hours. So we brought plenty of water, brought some snacks, and we brought Blue to pull us just in case we have trouble.
Pretty much.
Here we go. I don't know if you can see it or not, but right there is where we're going. So the first third of the trail is definitely all incline, steep at points, not so steep at other points, but it definitely has us catching our breath. Isn't that view crazy?
It is really pretty.
I thought the last one was cool.
Yeah, but this one is really cool. We have to go up and over and then up, and then we'll get to our spot.
Piece of cake.
Yeah. We're stopping for a drink break for both of them.
Look, we're almost at the lookout, and there's deer right along the trail. And we made it to the lookout tower. Looks like there's a downstairs. There's an upstairs. And then there's the beautiful lookout. This Black Elk Peak lookout tower is over 7,200 feet in elevation. So it's the highest point between the Rocky Mountains and Europe. Words can't even describe how beautiful this place is. I'm so glad we did this. What do you think, Tiff?
He's dying slowly.
Blue, you're at 7,200 feet. How cool was that?
The fun part is getting him down the grates.
Yeah.
That should be fun. Dylan, you'll have to carry him down.
Yeah. So what'd you think?
I thought it was well worth it.
Yeah, it stinks we couldn't go up together, but one of us had to stay down with Blue, so we took turns.
Yeah, that's all right. Still did the job.
It was cool that we were able to do it with Blue.
Yeah, everybody kept passing along and they're like, and the dog made it. He was huffing and puffing, but he made it.
Yeah. So you start out on the trail, there's an incline, but it's not too bad, and then you kind of slowly go up gradually, and then you kind of hit a peak. We have a nice overview, which we'll show you. And then when you go back down into the valley, get you a chance to get pretty far down, and then you go back up, and that's where it's real steep. It's rated moderate. I would say easy moderate. Just take your time.
We haven't done any hikes in a long time, so of course it's a little harder.
Yeah, and we're also from Pennsylvania, where the elevation's like 300 to 400 feet, and now we're in Custer, where I think it's like 5,500 feet, and then this hike goes all the way up to 7,200 feet. So there's a little bit of oxygen level decrease, but it's not too bad. It's just prepping us for next month when we're in Colorado.
Yeah.
There's something about going back down the trail that just makes it so much easier. I'm pretty sure we're gonna get back down in like half the time it took us to get up. What do you think, Tiff?
Yeah, I agree.
All right, we just finished the hike. All trails said 3.5 hours. We did it in 3 hours and 27 minutes, so they can suck it.
Really?
We're obviously elite sportsmen.
Oh yeah.
Even though the whole way down, we're complaining about our knees, our quads,
how everything's
our feet.
falling apart.
Yeah, and I'm 28 and Tiffany's 30, so
That's a good sign.
just shows what's to come, you know. Can't help it.